Hello and welcome to another exciting and stimulating episode of Dealing with Brightspace. This particular episode is going to look at a problem that I experienced inside of Brightspace and inside of the gradebook and how I rectified that problem. And that was the use of the default grading scheme on every single assignment that was inside of the gradebook, and therefore it produced the little letter F next to all of the assignments. So we're going to look at the bulk edit feature within the gradebook to rectify that problem. So let's head over to my sociology class, which is currently going on. And we're going to go to the gradebook. And the first thing I'm going to point out is you look over here, here's Chapter 3 quiz, and it's not even done yet, but there's this letter grade, an F, and then the F, and F. The whole class is full of Fs. So if we want to kind of ease some of the strain that's associated with people seeing Fs all the time, we can change it to a different scheme, percentages, and that's the one I'm going to go with. So back in the gradebook, I switch to manage grades. I do a select all, click that, and every item in the gradebook has been selected. And then I go to bulk edit. The bulk edit feature allows us to modify the names, the points, the weights, right here. And you look here, grade scheme. You see that the default KVCC standard has been, by default, put into every single assignment. So I'm just going to change that to percentage. And I'll just do the first few here. I've done quizzes 3 through 10. I save that. And we'll go back to enter grades. And we'll see that instead of little letter Fs, what we end up with is a percentage for each one of those. See, it's changed that F to a percentage, and that's a little bit more easy on the eyes. So I'm just going to go back and do bulk edit and just change all of those default grading schemes to percentages and remove all those little Fs. I think the patients, too much COVID going on, I think the students will appreciate it.